Here is the 1977 F250 400 big block camper special. Oh, yeah, 250 custom. Do a little walk around. Just got out of the spray down wash with her. Still got a long way to go, but she's an old girl, but she's all there. I believe that this has 86,000 original miles on it. Did the tune-up on it, cap, rotor, did trans lines, did the brake master, I did the rear U-bolts, I still gotta put the front shocks in, belts, I got valve cover gaskets for it. I'm gonna take those off and paint them blue. I'm thinking about painting this blue the same, dark. And then, I don't know, see if I can maybe polish that up a little bit. Can't beat the look of an old Dent side though. Do a little fire up. Oh, keys would be good. Fires right up. Thing purrs. Super quiet. No smoke. Still got some old fuel left in her from last year. It's the first time it's moved this year. The trans lines started leaking pretty bad where it was parked, so I didn't even start it. I just did the lines. But yeah, it's the Dent side. 1977 F250. Big block 400.